Local SEO is crucial for enhancing your business's visibility in local search results. By mastering local search optimization, you can effectively connect with customers in your community, driving more foot traffic and increasing sales. This presentation will explore the fundamentals of local SEO and its importance for modern businesses. Local SEO is crucial for businesses aiming to enhance their visibility in local search results. It involves optimizing your online presence to attract local customers actively searching for your products or services. This strategy ensures your business appears prominently in search results, increasing the likelihood of attracting nearby customers with high purchase intent. Local SEO optimizes your online presence to attract local customers. It ensures visibility when people search for your products or services nearby. This digital marketing strategy targets queries with geographic intent, like pizza near me or emergency plumber in Dallas, indicating high purchase intent and immediate need. Local SEO is crucial, with over 90% of consumers searching online for local businesses. Remarkably, 76% of these searches result in a visit within 24 hours, and 28% lead to a purchase. This strategy effectively converts online interest into real-world actions, driving foot traffic, phone calls, and sales for local businesses. Traditional SEO targets a broad audience with general keywords, aiming for global visibility. In contrast, local SEO focuses on specific locations, using precise keywords like running shoes Portland. It competes with nearby businesses, aiming to dominate local search results and Google Maps, delivering faster, more qualified leads for location-based businesses. The local pack acts as your digital storefront, showcasing your business at the top of local search results. It features a map pin location, detailed business information like name, rating, and hours, and direct actions such as calling or visiting your website. This ensures maximum visibility when customers are ready to make decisions. Mastering local SEO involves understanding key components like the local pack and Google Business Profile. These elements ensure your business is visible when potential customers search locally. Optimize your Google Business Profile by claiming, verifying, and completing it with accurate information and engaging visuals. Regular updates enhance your profile's relevance, boosting your local search presence. Optimize your Google Business Profile by claiming and verifying your listing. Ensure all business details are accurate, including address and hours. Enhance your profile with high-quality photos as they boost engagement significantly. Regularly update your profile with fresh content to maintain relevance and improve local search rankings. Effective local keyword research is crucial for local search engine optimization. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush to find phrases combining your services with location modifiers. Examples include best coffee shop in Seattle or 24-hour locksmith near me. Integrate these naturally into your website and Google Business Profile to enhance visibility without keyword stuffing. Actively monitor reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and Facebook. Respond within 24 to 48 hours to demonstrate customer value. Thank positive reviewers and address negative feedback with empathy. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews through follow-up emails and direct links. Positive reviews enhance local search rankings and influence 93% of consumer decisions, boosting visibility and customer attraction. Local citations are crucial for local search engine optimization, acting as trust signals by confirming your business's existence and location. Consistency in your business name, address, and phone number across directories like Google Business Profile and Yelp is vital. Inconsistencies can confuse search engines and customers, damaging rankings and trust. Regularly audit citations using tools like Moz Local or Yext. To enhance local search visibility, start by claiming your Google Business Profile. Ensure all business details are complete and accurate, incorporating local keywords. Add high-quality photos and publish regular posts to engage customers. Monitor reviews and respond promptly. Build local backlinks and citations for a robust online presence, partnering with local businesses for mutual benefits. Claim your Google Business Profile by searching on Google Maps. Complete all business details, incorporating local keywords. Add at least 10 high-quality photos and update them regularly. Publish weekly Google posts with calls to action. Monitor and respond to reviews within 24 to 48 hours. Build local backlinks and ensure consistent name, address, and phone number across directories. Measuring performance is crucial for optimizing local search engine optimization. Use Google Analytics to track organic traffic and conversions. Google Search Console helps monitor keyword performance and rankings. Analyze Google Business Profile insights for customer actions and search origins. Monthly data reviews reveal trends, guiding strategy adjustments for improved conversions and visibility. Local SEO is a powerful tool to connect with local customers. Consistent optimization and management lead to measurable results, increasing visibility and sales. Start your journey by optimizing your Google Business Profile and managing citations. These steps will help you dominate your local market and attract ready-to-buy customers.